In the previous video, we looked at the layout of Google Classroom to explore the different parts. In this video, we will take a look at creating assignments and materials for students. To create an assignment in Google Classroom, you need to first go to the Classwork page. Click Classwork. Once you're here, click the Create button found in the upper left-hand corner of the page. For this example, let's select Assignment. Our other options are to create a Google Forms quiz, ask a poll question or discussion board question, simply give our students resource material, or we can reuse a post from a different class or a different section. We also have the option to create a new topic from this menu. Go ahead and click Assignment. The first step is to give a title to the assignment as you would like it to appear for students. Next, you can add any optional instructions for your students. Take a look at the top of the box. Right under the word Assignment, you will see the word For, followed by a drop-down list. This is a drop-down list of all of your classes. You can choose to put this assignment in multiple classes at one time. Next to your classes list, you have your student list. You can choose to assign this to all students or just individual students that you would like it to go to. Below the instructions, you can choose the gradebook category that you would like this assignment to fall under, the points possible, or you can make it ungraded. You can select a due date and time, and you can also choose the topic that you would like this to live under. If it's a new assignment, you may want to create a new topic. Finally, you can add materials to your assignment. You can attach a file from your computer, add a document from your Google Drive, link a YouTube video, or provide a link to your students. Let's attach a document from our Google Drive. Click the Drive icon. Your Google Drive will load. Let's select a document now that we want our students to fill out, and then click Add. When we have attached any file from our Google Drive, we have a few options. By default, it will be set on Students Can View File. This will just let students take a look at that document. The second option is Students Can Edit the file. This option will allow all students to have editing access to the same document. The last option is to make a copy for each student. This will take the document and make an individual copy for each student with his or her name on it. Students will have a turn-in button on the document to press when they have completed the assignment that will send it back to you in Google Classroom. When you select this option, as soon as the students open it up, they have editing access to the document. Once they turn it in, they only have view access, so the permissions will switch once the student turns it in. You then have the option as a teacher to send it back to the student if you would like, for them to again have editing access. If students are working on an assignment together, one partner can turn in the work and the other can simply click Mark as Done on the assignment, showing the teacher they completed the work, but they do not have to turn in a file. When you have all of your details ready, you can select the Assign button. You also can choose to select the drop-down arrow next to Assign. This will allow you to schedule a specific time and date that you would like this assignment to show up for students. You can also choose to save it as a draft. This will make it gray on your classwork page, and when you are ready, you can go back to Edit and then assign the work.